Okay, hello everyone. I am back, and off camera I granted a bit of money, and now I'm gonna roll up fruit, and then I'm gonna continue trading. So I gotta wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna drop that, and I'll look at it. Now to get back to trading video. As I said before, we're trading this blizzard to this Buddha, to this Buddha, to this portal, and this portal to this mammoth, and this mammoth, and this T-Rex to this leopard. Or maybe if I get lucky, trade the T-Rex for a doe, then doe plus mammoth, 35,000 value. Could maybe get myself a thing. And I'm not gonna get to like something like, oh, I'm not gonna go to a dragon. Dragon's like just too hard to get. And yeah. And there's those. If I go back to calculator, you can see that Blizzard and Buddha are almost the same value, but they both, like, people trade them both for each other. People think it's the same value. Okay, start trading again. And let's begin our trading session to get a leopard. Okay. You have a Buddha minion. Oh, you have a doe. Wait, what? You have a off. Farming It's very cool. Trading my voice. So nobody's about to trade Buddha. Add Buddha. Add the Buddha. Okay, he's trouble. Doesn't have no Buddha. Calculator. What if I don't checklist for Buddha? What if I don't lose my mind trying to find Buddha? Trade it. No, this one would be no. And what if I go for something? No, never. What if I go for something like straight up a rumble? Maybe I'll be able to make that. If I can do that, I might be able to get a Buddha. I mean, not a Buddha. Portal. That's good. So first I have to find a rumble now. Let's see if anybody has a rumble. a T-Rex and a blue. That'd be enough for that. Super. Wait, I'm gonna ask my friend on the strongest battlegrounds if he has a Buddha or a Rumble. And I can't join. Still, I'm gonna ask him through chat that, yo, bro, do you have yeah, just said that. Wait, I'm just gonna check which server he's in. If he is in his own private server, no, he's not in his own private server. He's in someone else's private server. Okay. Who has a Buddha? Has a T-Rex. So in this values, mythical Doe has a 10 out of 10 demand. And if I could trade the Buddha, not the Buddha, the Blizzard and the T-Rex for the Doe, I might be able to trade the Doe for something like, what's the best thing I could trade for a Doe? Maybe like a Game Pass. Yeah, I'm definitely not getting my hands on a Game Pass. Is that a 500? Wow. Okay. So I think tier Doe for something like give me dough. Wait, yeah, I wouldn't have fruits. Dough for like a bunch of good fruits might work out. Like dough for one portal, one Buddha, one rumble. Dough for portal, Buddha, portal, Buddha, shadow, venom, portal, Buddha, mammoth, I would say, portal, Buddha, mammoth, and spirit. Maybe portal, Buddha, mammoth, and spirit might work out. If they wish. Portal, I'm gonna check the calculator for this. So, add that dough. And portal, Buddha. Oh no. Mammoth. That's already over. Dough. What if I cross out the Buddha and try to get spirit instead? That might work out. Maybe. But first I'm gonna have to get my hands on a dough somehow. trees. Và đó muốn không? Cái bóng